is Shubham, and today we will discuss the topic is what are the methods in Java, and today's date is 6th February 2024. So let's discuss. The basically methods in Java is a block of code that we can use again and again as per our requirement. In Java, there is two types of method, predefined method and user-defined method. So we discuss the first user-defined method. The user-defined method are defined as per user's requirement or programmer's requirement. The user-defined method has basically it has access modifier, return types, method name and parameter list. The applicable access modifier for method is public, private, protected and default, and non-access modifier like static and final. So let's discuss one by one. When we declare a method as a public, then the accessibility of this method is within the anywhere in our application. When we declare a method as a private, then accessibility of this method within the same class. Next one is protected. When we declare a method as protected, then accessibility of this method is within the same class or into the subclass. When next one is when we didn't declare any access modifier for the method, then it is by default, and accessibility of the default modifier is within the same class and within the same package. So these are the four access modifier applicable for method. When we declare a method as a final, then we cannot override this method. So this is the applicable access modifiers. Next one is return type. Every method must have return type. When method don't have any return type, then it must be declared as void. Next one is method name. The method name of method is always start with small letter or in lowercase. If our method contain multiple names, then use camel case convention for the method name. Next one is parameter list. We declare or define a parameters in the parenthesis of the method. And next one is method body. In method body, we declare a logic of our method or code that we want. When we declare a method from anywhere, then it return some value to its caller. So these are the user defined methods in Java. Next one is predefined method. The predefined method in Java that are present in packages. This method are already defined in Java. The predefined method likes max, min, floor, pow. These are the predefined methods in Java or standards methods So these are the two types of methods. So let's discuss the why main more about main method. The main method is basically entry point for every class in Java.